So in this question, we're given this table that shows you the number of units, the sales forecast for these 6 months. Question is, was the actual number of units, so this is forecast, and then we have an actual number. They're saying actual number in March less than that in April. So we'll start with statement 1. Says 12 units of product Z were sold in March. So this is actually 12. What do we know about April? Well, I mean, it could be 8 for all we know, and this would answer the question as a no, but it could also be 15, which would answer it as a yes. So 1 alone is insufficient. 2 says that there was a constant linear relationship between the forecast and the actual number of units. So let's say that constant linear constant of proportionality is K, then the actual numbers would be 12K, 16K, 16K. It's the same constant for all. And 24K. Now note, K could be greater than 1 or less than 1. It doesn't have to be either one. Could be either. But the key thing is we're comparing 16K. So the question is that less than 20K? And it doesn't matter if K is greater than 1 or less than this quantity, because it's positive, it will always be less than that 20K. So K could be, for example, 1.05, in which case the actual forecast would be, actual numbers would be higher than the forecast, but K could also be 0.85, in which the actual numbers are less than the forecast. But notice in all these cases, there is a linear relationship between the forecast and the actual, and that's represented by this constant. And so in statement 2 alone, it is sufficient. March would always be less than that of May, because no matter what K is, 16K will always be less than 20K. So 2 alone is sufficient. The answer is B.